Does manifestation really work?
What do you mean by manifestation? Actually, if you can clarify, because people think manifestation is all about I thinking something and I having the capability to produce it, and when I produce it, it has manifested. That's the original capability to envision something and then manifest it or produce it in reality. But people, manifestation means they will close their eyes and say, I am rich, and that is also a process of manifestation.
Right.
No, that's a process of feeding your computer hard drive, which is already filled with unnecessary data. Now, your subconscious mind is filled with so many data, so much, okay?
Right.
Now, all your childhood experiences, you have experienced something. Now, suddenly you realize you are in scarcity. Then you will close your eyes and say, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. What's happening? There is enormous amount of junk data which has given experience of poverty within you. Now you are adding positive data that I'm rich. But this is not experience. Experience wins or your saying wins. So that is not manifestation. What is manifestation originally? The ancient Sanatana Dharma insisted on this. Everybody has the capability to naturally manifest whatever they want, because that is the reason why, though you are not aware, you're not actually aware of your body functions are happening on its own. Though you like it or not, you will find many rags to riches stories where they will say, I also actually didn't envision myself coming here, but then I have somehow come here. You will find many failure stories also. I was a success story, I started off well, I had a good run, and suddenly something happened in my life, and then there is downfall from there, and I don't know how I ended up here. The truth is, we are all actually already manifesting whatever we can. Now, somebody is good at mathematics, somebody is not good at it. They are actually manifesting their results. Now, there is a subconscious algorithm within you that is making one person rich, one person good in mathematics, one person bad in mathematics, and one person not so rich. You understand? So, you like it, you don't like it, you are actually computationally manifesting everything in your life. Now, you are manifesting your body, your hair, your everything, your talk, everything, your vision, your mission, everything you are manifesting. Now, I want you to understand one thing. Manifestation is happening within you unconsciously.
Correct.
The subconscious algorithm is manifesting. If you want to consciously manifest, then there is no other alternative, because the subconscious algorithm is already set in motion.
Correct.
So you need to contact, or you need to create a subconscious algorithm by the power which is greater than the subconscious algorithm.
And that power is?
That power is your own existential reality. You exist. You have a subconscious mind.